acknowledge now that the youth is the future of our society and our country. But why is there children out there stripped of their own being a dreamer, of being a kid that can dream of something and that cannot achieve for himself? Why is it that the children is not playing outside? Why are there children outside that are just forced to work? Children should be filled with happiness, not misery or distress. The youth is neither something that should be forced to work or something that should be somewhat called a financial insurance. Children is the future of our own country and our own society. Children should not be responsible for the mistakes or should be burdened with the responsibilities of the past itself. We, the youth, we, the future, should take care of our beloved ones, should take care of our parents, should take care of our elders, out of love, not out of responsibility. I am Jen Paolo Itana, representing the great God's STEM wisdom. Once again, I am Jen Paolo Itano, representing the class that takes no L, only W. Thank you so much.